How's it going, everyone? My name is Jimmy Barrios. In today's video, we're going to go over the process of enforcing MFA on your CLI users. First, we're going to go ahead and create an inline policy, attach it to our AIM user. The policy will deny access unless the user has gotten their MFA session token. Then we'll go through the process of enrolling our MFA and grabbing the device ARN and exporting, and then getting our get session token and exporting it into temporary keys for our shell. So first we'll come into the console, we'll go into AIM. We'll go to our users, select the user, and under permission policies, we're going to go ahead and create our inline policy by doing add permissions, create inline policy, select JSON as our editor. I already have the policy created. So this policy is going to deny effect on any resource that's not listed in this policy. For example, we have list users, we have get session tokens, list MFA devices. We need these actions to be able to get our temporary session tokens. So we'll click next, give our policy a name, create policy, and here you'll see our policy is attached to our user. And if we now try and use our CLI to enumerate S3, for example, we're going to get an access denied, saying we don't have access to perform these policies because it's not part of our inline policy. So now we're going to go ahead and enforce and get our MFA device token. So we'll do AWS AIM list MFA devices, username, our user, and here we get our ARN. Now we're going to go ahead and request our temporary session token. Yes, get session token, pass our ARN, get our token code from your authenticator app, we're going to set a duration time for our token. We'll say it'll expire in 8 hours. It's your typical workday. Here we've gotten our access key, our secret access key, and our temporary session token, which will expire on the 12th. So now we're going to go ahead and export this into our profile. So we'll do export AWS access key D equals export AWS. secret access key equals and our session token. Okay. Now, if we try and enumerate S3, we're able to list our buckets. And this session will expire in about 8 hours. Then you would have to go back in and re-authenticate with your MFA token and set up your new sessions. This is the process of enforcing MFA on your CLI users.